So this was a YouTuber who provided this link, and you can start the 30-day free trial for only $1. So you can use this vidIQ subscription that normally cost for like $50 a month. You can use it for only $1, and you can start this, and if you don't like it, you can also end it before the month ends, like after 27-28 days, so that you will not be charged any extra amount. Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can get vidIQ Boost subscription under $1 only. So for that you can come to vidIQ website and you can type /decoding YT in front of the link, and you can go to that link, and here you will see this page. So to get this under $1, you can just click on this button. And by the way, if this does not work and does not give you discount, however it gives me discount when I purchased it, here you can see that I am also using this Boost subscription, and this is my plan currently that I am using. If it does not work, then you can use a coupon code that I will provide at the end of the video, and you will be able to get more than 90% discount using that coupon. So just click on this button and you can create your account. And here I have created my account. It's now redirecting me. So here you can see amount due today $0.98. So you can just enter your card details and you can subscribe to them. You will be able to access 1 month of vidIQ Boost for only $1. And by the way, if this does not work, then you can use the other link that I have provided in the description, that is vidIQ.com/ikashifmehmood. Then you can use this link and you can create your free account first of all. So let me just log in my account, and now here you need to click on this upgrade button. You can click on it and you can click on the Boost plan, or if you want to get the Pro plan, you can also use that coupon code on the Pro plan. So let me just use on Boost plan, and here click on add coupon, and here you can type think, okay, and click on apply. And here you can see we can get this plan for only $4.90, and we can also apply this coupon code in the Pro plan. We can click on add promo code and we can type think, apply, and you can see we can get it for $1 only, this Pro plan. So I will create a review on the vidIQ. I will also compare the Pro and Boost plan. So you can subscribe to my channel so you will be able to get the notification, and like this video, leave a comment if you have any question. See you next time.